In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide or close inbox in Trello. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing tasks, projects, and workflows. Whether you're managing a personal to-do list or collaborating with a team, Trello's boards and features make it intuitive and efficient to stay on track. But sometimes, the interface can feel a little cluttered, especially if you don't need certain features like the inbox. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to hide or close the inbox in Trello so you can customize your workspace to better suit your needs. Let's get started. First, open Trello on your computer or device and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the Trello dashboard, locate the board you want to work with. This is the board where you'd like to hide or close the inbox. Click on it to open the board. Now, take a look at the navigation bar on the left side of the board. Scroll down to the bottom of this navigation bar, and you should see an option labeled Inbox. Once you've found the Inbox button, click on it. This action will toggle the inbox off, effectively hiding it from view. If clicking the inbox button doesn't hide it right away, don't worry, this can happen sometimes. To fix this, try opening the board in more detail. You can do this by selecting specific sections or cards within the board to ensure everything loads properly. Alternatively, you can switch the board to Planner View. Planner View often refreshes the interface and may help you adjust the inbox setting more effectively. If you'd prefer to use keyboard shortcuts instead, Trello has you covered. Simply press the G key on your keyboard, followed by the I key. This combination acts as a shortcut to toggle the inbox on and off, giving you another quick and easy way to hide it. And that's it. By following these steps, you can quickly hide or close the inbox in Trello and enjoy a cleaner, more streamlined workspace. If you're new to Trello and don't yet have an account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.